Right, guys, now we are leaving the cruise port now. We are leaving the cruise port. We are leaving the cruise port of cruise. We are leaving the cruise port. We're leaving now. Yeah, the cruise ship is leaving from the cruise port now. It is now leaving from the cruise port, guys. We are actually leaving from the cruise port. As you can see there, it's actually moving. Right. It is actually moving. So we'll have the whole night, and we are going to be the whole day, the whole night, the whole day, and then it will arrive the after tomorrow on Sunday into the next city. The next city, the cruise ship will arrive on the Sunday on the next city. All right. Oh, I see the stadium there. It's called the Bombela Stadium. Bombela Stadium. Let me try and see if I can see it. I can zoom it nicely. Bombela Stadium. Bombela Stadium, guys. Is it in Bombela? Gebeha? Is it PE? Port Elizabeth Stadium. That's Port Elizabeth Stadium. That's Port Elizabeth Stadium. All right. As you can see, we are going now. This is the front of the cruise ship. The front of the cruise ship. That's where the captain is seated. The captain is seated. They are there. They are flying. They are propelling this thing. All right. So you can see there. It is the stadium. Here's Port Elizabeth. Port Elizabeth Port, Cruise Port. This is the city of Port Elizabeth. City of Port Elizabeth. City of Port Elizabeth. I just zoomed it so you guys can see. All right. So the small ship has actually left us. He actually left us. Where are they? Where is he? There. They are going. Now there they are going. All right. So we're saying goodbye to them. We are going. These are the small cruise ships. Right. Small cruise ships. You know. So now we are going. Right. We are going. Right. We are going, guys. So as you can see, if I sit like this, you'll see that the cruise ship is going. We just put it like this so you can see. The thing is going, right? So it's such a big thing. You know, we are actually on the balcony. Yeah, that is our room. Our room. That's our room. You know, that's our room there. That's our balcony. That's our room. That's our room. That's Madame trying to make up there. We are preparing to go to the restaurant, right? So this is our balcony, guys. Our balcony. So my boy is actually taking some videos there as well, and yeah. So we are moving. We are moving now. We are moving. So guys, here we are going. So as you can see here. Right, I just put this is my TV. You can see the cruise ship is going. Right, you can see there. You can see it clearly, right? Check. There is a back camera. I can take it and put it in front, the front camera, so you guys can see the front camera. Right, that is a front camera. Front camera can show you also. The cruise ship is going. You can see, right? You can see, right? The cruise ship is going. Look. Yeah. We have just left Port Elizabeth Cruise Port in South Africa. We are going to another city. We are going to another city. I won't name the city, but I will keep you updated once I leave the city, right? I will keep you updated, right? We are going to another city. We just left PE, Port Elizabeth, in South Africa on a cruise ship. So we are going to another city, right? So that's how it is. You can see the back, the front camera, right? Let me see there is the pool camera. Pool camera, you can see there on the pool camera. You can see there people are moving, all those type of things. So you are able to see here from the room. You are able to check what's happening on the pool. You can see people there, some people there walking and all those type of things, Understand? So that's how it is, You are able to see everything. And this one is it's a back camera. Right, you can see there. You can see. Check there nicely. See, cruise ship is going. That's how it is. Right, guys, I'll keep you posted. So, guys, let's go with me. Let's go with me. I'm waiting for my family. I'm waiting for my family. I'm waiting for my family. Come. Waiting for my family. I'm waiting for my family, guys. Come, guys.
Did you close the balcony? Yeah, it's closed. Yeah. You can't leave it open.
I'm waiting for my family, guys.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine,
Hi.
thank you.
Hi.
I hope you too.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right, so now we're going. We're going to the buffet. Right, we're going to eat, guys. We're all of us, all family. A family man. I'm a family man. I'm a family man. That's what you do. When you've got a family, you do this. You take them out. Take them out. Don't let them. You're going to a room. You're going to a room. Okay, we're going to the kids' room. I thought we were going to the thing. So we're on the cruise ship, guys. We're going up now. Going up. Going up. Going up.
I'll let you know when I need it.
Going up, guys. We're going up. Going up. But yeah, this side, love. We are lost. The room is this side. So we're going to the kids' room. Yeah, it's a long walk. The cruise ship is too big, guys. It's too long, But we're all going. We're all going, guys. We're all going. We're all going. So it's always good. Right now we are in the sea. We're in the sea. The cruise ship is moving. So it's moving the whole night today. It's gonna move the whole day tomorrow. And it's gonna move the whole night tomorrow. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thanks, and how are you? Good. So it will move the whole night tomorrow. It will arrive in another city tomorrow. That city, I will reveal it immediately once we get into that city tomorrow. I will reveal after we leave the city. Guys, it's always important. Hi. So, we're greeting. Hi, how are you?
Hi,
Good.
Okay, is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's 100%. We're enjoying the cruise. All right, so let's go, guys. So we're going to the kids' room, guys. We're still going. All right. It's a long walk to freedom, but we'll get there, It's very far, but we'll get there. These are just lift sites. We are still on 8156, and we're going far. We're looking for 250, 265. All right.
They are still at 168.
Yeah, we're going to 20. We are going to 2065. 2065. So let's see. I'll get it. Anyway, we're still going. But anyway, it will cut me, guys. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Ciao.